Today we at Verna Industrial Association are celebrating World Environment Day and World Bicycling Day, thanks to Department of Environment, Government of Goa, who through Goa State Pollution Control Board and Goa State Biodiversity Board have come forward to support us in this endeavor. And also thanks to all the cycling clubs of Goa, from at least South Goa and Panjim, who have come together to show India's true spirit. That is, a spirit of one India and a spirit of fit India, given that they all came cycling from different directions of Margao, Panjim, Vasco and Ponda. So today what we want to start is, for Verna, we want to try and create back our identity of what Goa was many years ago. An ideal tourist destination of natural beauty. So while having economy going, we need to see how we can still preserve our environment and our biodiversity. So that is something that we are trying to push forward. We are trying to get this. Now here in this very location, we are having what is known as a sustainability hub, which is basically a small thing to educate people on how to manage their own waste. So we have a very migrant colony here, which we are trying to educate them on how to help them sustain their waste so that it doesn't come into a public mainstream. Because very close by here, we have one of the sources of South Goa's main river, that is River Sal, which is now highly polluted. So unless we sustain that source, the river is always going to be polluted.
आज हो खूब गरजेचो आनी म्हत्वाचो दीस आसा. काल जागतीक सायकल दिन आशिल्लो, फाल्यां जागतीक पर्यावरण दीस आसा. आनी ह्या दोनूय दिसांचे मदीं आज आयतार जाल्ल्या कारणान सगळे सायकलिंग असोसिएशन खंयची आसात मेन लीड घेतलेली साश्टी ताणीन ऑल गोवा आमी सायकलिंग एक रॅली अशी केल्ली. प्रत्येक गांवांतल्यान ती फुडें आयली आनी हांगा शेवटाचो कल्मिनेट हांगा वेर्ना जाला. वखद आसतना दोन एक संदेश आमी दिवपाक सोदता की पर्यावरण दिनाचें म्हत्व, क्लायमेट चेंजाचें म्हत्व आनी प्रत्येकाची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी पर्यावरणा खातीर रक्षा कशी करप ती. हातूंत भितर गोवा इंडस्ट्रियल असोसिएशनाचे अभिषेक जे आसात मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टर, तशेंच वेर्ना असोसिएशनाचे प्रदीप, आमचे इंडियन नेव्ही, मागीर आमचे गोवा बायोडायवर्सिटी बोर्ड आनी सगळ्यांनी बरोबर येवन हो प्रोग्रामाचें आयोजन केल्लें.
Cyclothon event with almost 7 clubs of Goa and coordinated by Verna Industries Association. Also Sasti riders, Panjim riders, all of them together. Indian Navy came and we had almost 400 plus cyclists doing the cyclothon with the theme Lifestyle for Environment, spreading the message of conservation of environment to the grand success. I would like to thank GIDC, Goa State Pollution Control Board. Of course, Goa State Biodiversity Board is the organizer along with the others, and we are very proud that this is a very successful event. Thank you so much.
But they are celebrating today. So we have covered cycling from Panjim, and we have come up to Portalim and Birla Cross Junction. Here, Verna Industrial Association, in association with other cycling groups, they have organized this cyclothon, and also we are going to organize a tree plantation which is recently concluded. And it is just like a World Cycle Day, promote cycling, fitness, and bring something enthusiasm among young kids, the new generation, so that they can pick up cycling and keep themselves fit, cycling, running, all these activities included. So it is a good initiative. So good initiative, definitely we also have to support them. I came all the way from Panjim, although I work in Vasco, but I have supported them. I am also a cyclist, I love cycling. So whenever free time I get, I do cycling, keep myself fit.